Right. Today I have here with me my very own daughter, Anastasia, who is now the owner and CEO of her own sector of Tanya Does Hair, which is Deja Does Hair. So with her, she's a super long chick, and I'm going to do a precise trim on her. And she's not going to be any shorter. So we'll call this the chair. And she's going to still be beyond it when we get done. Because we do not only just do a zero cut, which is this. This means a zero cut when you're just combing the hair straight down and only getting the zero area. Well, that misses so many hairs that it can actually become a problem long term. So our precise process that we're sharing with you free of charge today. Right So we part out the hairs above the curvature of the head, which never cater or never should cater to your lympharians. So this is where we develop what we call our internal guideline. So we do so. She's pretty clean, see, because we trim consistently. Try to let too much time go by, because we're learning that it's best to get in front of the problem instead of waiting until we have a big problem. So even at the top, just watch me address all square inches of the hair or origins up top. It's not just to a comb after 180. Kind of got to go to the front, got to come to the back to ensure you get all the top hairs. Now that I've opened up my guideline, I can now begin making precise high shape partings and cutting at a 90-degree angle. This ensures that you can see the client's longest point without cutting it off. The biggest reason most clients do not go to a salon nowadays is because they're afraid of all of their growth being jeopardized by being cut off. So one of the bigger reasons we believe we're getting so many bookings is just because of that point. No one leaves us shorter. In fact, everyone grows with us over time.
Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing.
Does your hair seem dry or brittle? Does your scalp itch or get flaky? Is your hair unmanageable? What if there was one solution in one bottle that will restore your dry or brittle hair, remove the flakes or scalp irritation, and increase manageability, plus eliminates the need for chemical treatments, conditioners, or oils? Would you try it? Well, we would like to introduce you to My Water Hair Solution, the total solution for both your hair and skin.
Go into that, because if you told me water is going to change it, I wouldn't